Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Blue Bank's fired employees held fun with withdrawals, citing 32 I'm fake. Blue Bank, a Brazilian crypto lending platform, reportedly blocked all of its 22,000 users from withdrawing their funds following an alleged hack that drained 32 million crypto. And which many investors found hard to believe. Blue Bank, a Brazilian crypto lending platform, reportedly blocked all of its 22,000 users from withdrawing their funds following an alleged hack that drained 32 million or 160 million Brazil real. While details about the hack were verifiable, the company allegedly laid off most of its employees. Blue Bank joined the growing list of crypto companies that failed to deliver on their promises. For investing in cryptocurrencies via various in-house earning bonus. A report by cryptocurrency. Wait for a minute. A report from the local news portal The Bitcoin highlighted that Blue Banks joined the growing list of crypto companies that failed to deliver on their promises of exorbitant yield returns this crypto winter. The Brazilian crypto lender promises up to 66% returns for users investing in cryptocurrencies via various in-house earning bonus. A report from the local news portal The Bitcoin highlighted that Blue Bank held all forms of withdrawals after falling victim to an extremely aggressive hack, according to Blue Bank's lawyer Asumraya Kutumi. The attack resulted in the loss of 32 million, which investors found hard to believe given the lack of clarity about the alleged hack. And the Rolling Translate word of an unnamed investor told portal The Bitcoin, "I think there's a high probability of it being a scam because this whole hacker attack story seems like a lot of the bullshit. Sometimes they invested. The lack of cryptocurrency, the lack of trust among investors stems from the fact that number crypto platform, the other high yield, have alleged similar scenario in the past, wherein they end up halting funds withdrawal while hiding the incompetency in the fulfilling the previously promised returns to the users. Considering the growing risks involved in the high yield service, as stated above, crypto investors are now on the move to trying out lower risk crypto yield as safer strategies. Block Earner, an Australian fintech company, with a surge of investors looking out for the less risky version of those returns. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next time.